Whether you're new to using a metronome in your practice or have been using one for years, I want to show you some really cool ideas to make your practice more efficient and more rewarding. Number 1. Sing with the metronome. If you're using a metronome to help you learn a new song or work on a tricky rhythm, try singing the part first before you play it. Often, technical demands can take away some of our concentration, and it can be difficult to play all the notes and follow a metronome. Once you can sing the rhythms comfortably, then transition to trying it out at the piano. Number 2. Put the click on different note values. Do you always set your metronome to click on the quarter notes? Well, there's also benefits to putting the click on longer or even shorter time values. Putting the click on shorter note values can help you feel the subdivision in slower pieces. Also, putting the click on longer note values can help you achieve a better sense of phrasing. It can be a really great way to test how steady your tempo is. Number 3. Save the metronome until you have a baseline proficiency. The point of technical exercises is to improve your technique, which is to improve the effectiveness of how you use your body and your instrument to make sound. This requires focusing on the motions of your arms, hands, fingers, and listening to the sound you produce. Sometimes you'll need to slow down or speed up what you're doing to experiment with different techniques and get comfortable with your exercise. It's a good idea to get the piece in your fingers before practicing with a metronome. Number 4. Slow is fast. The fastest way to learn a new piece is to practice it slow. How slow? As slow as it needs to be for you to play it perfectly. Disciplining yourself to go slow enough isn't always easy, but a metronome can help. Once you know what tempo you need to practice in order to have no mistakes, put the metronome at that tempo and increase the tempo gradually as you practice. If there are still mistakes showing up in your practice, it's a good indication that you need to slow that metronome down. Hey, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so that we know you want to see more topics like this. We've got a whole team of music teachers answering questions and bringing you awesome lessons and tutorials every week. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video. And if you're looking for a complete piano education, click the link to visit hoffmanacademy.com. See you next time.